I like it. What's up, guys? This is me, Joey. My thoughts, my world. And yeah, I'm making this video. It's been so long since I made a vlog video. I've been really busy, but I said I was gonna make a video today because I'm getting ready to go on vacation. Yeah, on vacation. And I got everything in order. Everything has been straightened out, and got the plane tickets, booked the hotel, and I thought all that was the hardest part. And I figured someone to come over here taking care of my dogs would be the easiest part. And it's not the case. I'm having some issues with my dog Max, who in my eyes is just my little puppy baby sweet dog that wouldn't hurt a fly, when in all actuality he is a beast. And it's really sad. I got my brother George, my little brother. He's over here to take care of the puppies. He's gonna house sit and keep the dogs for me. And he bit George as soon as he walked in. Then George turned his back. He bit him again. George went outside, came back in, and Max bit him again. I don't know what's going on. I guess, and I'm thinking Max is part pit bull and he's part border collie. Border collie, he just likes to play fetch. He's really obedient. He almost came here trained, but the pit bull in him, he's very aggressive. But it's almost, he's only aggressive when he feels threatened, or it's just like he chooses people he likes, because some people he'll meet for the first time and he'll just love them instantly. But then George, I don't know what it is, but he just felt like him. He's warming up to him now. It's been here for maybe about 30 minutes or so, and it's kind of warmed up to him. George, you want to get in the video? Come on. This is George right here. He's still alive, even though got bit like 3 times. I feel bad. He's not the only person. Max has bit a lot of people. So George, tell me, how's it feel to get bit by my dog?
It's not well doing the first time. Usually everybody in the dog run wild.
Really?
Then you beat on my calf.
Okay.
So I tried to shake it off and think about it. I said, okay, strike one. Then turn around.
And what did you do?
And do it again.
Damn! What in the world?
So I said, okay, that's strike 2.
And then what happened?
So I go outside and do like the tail movie.
Yeah.
To the dog, to the dog.
No, don't do that.
And look
Look at him there. Look.
I mean, and bring it back.
See, now you, look, let it be at that. I mean, it just took about an hour and some biting, and he got better.
And after he bit me the 3rd time, I was just like, you might be doing one dog that won't be there.
He's just saying that he won't do it. That's his nephew. That's his nephew. He won't do
Well,
that
actually,
too.
all I do when I go back home to bring my pit bull over here, that's full-blooded.
Here we go. My dog will whoop your dog's ass, and we all know that. We all know that. My dog will whoop your ass. He'll whoop your ass and your dog's ass. Look at him. That's a badass dog.
My dog don't play fast.
So what does your dog do?
My dog's head is like 2 of your dog's head.
The head don't have nothing to do with the
That means his mouth is
viciousness of the dog. My dog, you already see me biting. Look at him. Look. He ready. Max, kill him. Throw it, make him catch it in the air. Do it again. Oh, you missed. But yeah, back to the task at hand though. But I'm hoping that after we leave, things will get better, and he won't He won't be so bad. Yeah, we fit some chicken breast and let George Keenum do that. And I think he'll get better. I think he's just being real protective because we're all in here. He's trying to protect his home. He's trying to protect me. Really does, you know, this is his uncle. But yeah, I'm so excited about Kansas City, Missouri. I'm ready to have some barbecue and just have some slushies at Sonic and run around and have all kinds of fun and things like that. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna sign off now because that's just about all I want to say. Yeah, on another note, I went into a barber shop yesterday and I was going home to go to my regular barber, like I always do, but I got home too late, so I said I'll go to this barbershop in the mall called $1 Billion Cuts, not $1 million, but $1 Billion Cuts. And I'm just here to tell you, don't go there. Don't go there. I feel bad because after he spent an hour and a half cutting my hair, he was like, well, I'll take one of my business cards, you know, I'm just trying to, you know, spread my name or whatever. And I was like, yeah. But it was an hour and a half worth of agging, and all the dude did was try to sell me products. And actually, I got a haircut, but I had to come home and actually. I could have done better. Okay. But he could have done better. But I had to come home and actually fix it because none of this. I mean, it's just like he spent an hour talking. Basically, he cut a little bit, and I had to go back over everything myself to, you know, to make it mine. So yeah, if you are thinking about going to $1 Billion Cuts, or if you see it, run in the opposite direction because that was not a good experience for me. Oh yeah, and it costs $30 to get my haircut. $30 for a mohawk. Yeah. So, but until next time, I'll be blogging in Kansas City, Missouri tomorrow. So I'll see you guys. Yeah. Peace out.